Always align the wrench with the hinge leaf and make gentle, incremental adjustments to avoid damaging the door or injuring yourself. When adjusting door hinges with a wrench, start by supporting the door so its weight is not borne by the hinge you are tightening or loosening. Use a block of wood or a helper to hold the door level and prevent sudden drops. Remove any hardware stops or trim if they obstruct access, and clean the hinge pin and leaf contact points of debris and old lubricant. This ensures smooth movement and accurate seating. Use a correctly sized open end or box wrench so the contact surfaces are flat, and fully engage the nut or screw head to prevent slippage. Make only small, measured turns, and check the door swing after each quarter turn so you can reverse the move if the alignment goes the wrong way. If the hinge is bent or has excessive play, replace the hinge rather than trying to force it into position, and if screws pull from the frame, use longer wood screws into the stud or add a wood filler and re-drill pilot holes. For sticky or stiff hinges, apply a light penetrating lubricant and work the hinge by hand before final tightening to seat parts properly and prevent binding. The three most common mistakes are using too large or angled a wrench, which causes the tool to slip and round off fasteners, so use the correct size and keep the wrench square to the face. Another frequent problem is making large single adjustments, which bends the hinge or misaligns the door. Instead, make small incremental turns and recheck the door swing after each adjustment. A third issue is over-tightening, which binds the hinge and stresses mounting screws or the frame, so tighten until snug, test the movement, and only add more if there is continued looseness while avoiding bending force. If the hinge still moves, replace hardware or reinforce screw holes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and helps contractors find work by connecting people through project listings and contractor profiles. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences.